Hello friends, welcome to my channel Safety in Pocket. Today we will discuss about the basic safety terminologies used in industry. So if you will know all these factors used in industry, it will be easy for us to work safely in the industry. So the first term is safety. The second term is accident. The third term is danger. Next, disaster, emergency, evacuation, hazard, incident, near miss, and risk. And so many terms are also there which we will study later on. Okay. So let us discuss first about the safety. First, what we think from the name safety. Safety means it is a condition which gives us freedom from hazard, risk, danger, accident, harm, and even death. It means if we are not maintaining safety properly, then we will face so many types of problems in our working area as well as in our day-to-day life. As an example, if we are riding a bike but we are not maintaining proper safety, the basic safety in bike riding is a helmet, and we also have to maintain the speed limit. If we are not maintaining it properly, then ultimately we will face an accident. So safety is a condition which gives us freedom from hazard, risk, danger, accident, harm, and even death. Then we will see what is industrial safety. Industrial safety is that condition of an enterprise operation in which by controlling hazard and risk, accident-free production can be achieved. It means if we are maintaining safety properly in the industry or in an enterprise, then the production can be achieved smoothly without any accident and without any hazard and also risk. Then we will see what is accident. Accident is an unplanned, unexpected or unintended event that causes injury, loss or damage. It means accident is an unplanned event, means when it will happen nobody knows. That means I don't know when I will face an accident. The person who is working in the industry, he also doesn't know when an accident will happen to him. So it is an unplanned, unexpected. We never expect that an accident is there and that we may face that accident today. And it is also unintended event. It is an event but which causes injury, loss or damage. Accident happens generally due to two causes. These are unsafe action and unsafe condition. So unsafe action means the action or wrong operation of a person which leads to accident, and unsafe condition means some conditions or some circumstances which are available on the working area due to which someone faces an accident. Next we will discuss about danger. Danger is a hazardous situation which, if not controlled or avoided, will result as a serious injury or death. It means danger is a situation which is available before in the working area. If it is detected but not controlled, then accident will happen or any injury may happen. If it is detected at the early stage, we have to control it and we have to correct it. Then the accident or death or injury can be avoided. By taking suitable precautions, dangers can be avoided. Then we will see about disaster. Disaster is one of the uncontrolled situations in which the day-to-day patterns of lives are disrupted and plunged into helplessness and suffering. The disaster may be natural or it may be unnatural. So if the disaster is happening, the situation will be out of our control. We need some help, and the day-to-day life of our life will be of us will be affected. As a result, people need protection, clothing, shelter, medical and social assistance. Then we will see about emergency. Emergency is an incident in which there is potential of major injury, ill health and damage to process, property and environment. It means emergency is an incident. If anything is happening or any incident is happening and it also causes some property damage or process damage or environment damage, we call it as emergency. It needs some help. In case of emergency, we need immediate action because it affects inside as well as outside the environment. Then we will see about evacuation. Evacuation means to move all people from an unsafe area to a safer area. Suppose in an industry some gas leakage is there, and this is harmful to our body or to the body of the workers working in that area. In that case, we have to take the immediate action to make the area empty by evacuating peoples outside to the area or to a safer area. The process of evacuation should be planned before and practiced properly according to the emergency action plan. One emergency action plan is there, in which the evacuation is one process in which how the people can be evacuated immediately, as soon as possible and safely. That should be planned before and that should be rehearsed before. Then we will see about hazard. Hazard means it is an inherent property of a substance, agent or a source of energy or situation having the potential of causing undesirable consequences. It means, suppose one thing is there, one chemical is there, that is called acid. Nowadays acid attack is a common issue in our society. So what is the result of acid attack? As a result, the full body of the person or of the victim is totally damaged. So it is the why it is damaged? Because the bone is the inherent property of the acid. That's why these are the result. So hazard is an inherent property of a substance. It may be of a substance, it may be of any agent, or it may be of any energy or any situation which are having the potential of causing undesirable consequences. Hazard has the potential to cause harm, ill effect, injury to health, damage to property, process and environment. Next we will see about incident. Incident is an unplanned event or series of events that has or could have caused injury to people or damage to assets or damage to environment. So incident is an unplanned event. As accident, as we studied before, that accident is also one unplanned event. When it will happen we don't know. Similarly, incident is also one of the unplanned event or series of events. It may be one event or it may be combination of some events that has or could have caused injury to people or damage to asset or damage to environment. Means due to which series of events or unplanned events any damage to asset or damage to environment or any injury to people and even death also happens, that is known as incident. Incident generally happens due to any unsafe actions. Next we will see about near miss. Near miss means its meaning is available in its name. Near means nearer to, and miss means if we miss something. So near miss means unplanned event or sudden event that could have resulted as injury to man, material or environment, or could have an adverse effect but not resulted in such accidents. It means one accident or the factors of accidents are there, but it is not resulted as accident or not resulted as any injury to man or material loss or environment loss. That is known as near miss. If any near miss is happened, that should be corrected immediately, because if it is not corrected immediately, then it may cause accident later. Next we will see about risk. Risk can be defined as the multiplication of probability of occurrence and its severity of consequences. Means if we will multiply the probability of occurrence, if any occurrence is happening and its probability, if we are calculating the probability of the occurrence and the severity of consequences, means what will be the result, the severity of that result, the combination of this probability and severity is known as risk. Thank you for watching my video, and if you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.